Uh-oh, Timon, you better come look. I think it's still alive. Alrighty, what do we got here? Yikes! It's a lion! Run, Pumbaa, move it! Aw, Timon, he's so cute. And all alone. Can we keep him? Pumbaa, are you nuts? We're talking about a lion here. Lions eat guys like us. But he's so little. He's gonna get bigger. Maybe he'll be on our side. That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. Hey, I've got it. What if he's on our side? You know, having a lion around might not be such a bad idea. You okay, kid? I guess. Hey, where are we going? Nowhere. Gee, he sure looks blue. I say brownish gold. No.
Mine's blue.
Oh. So what's eating you? Nothing. He's on the top of the food chain. So, where are you from?
Doesn't matter. I can't go back. You're an outcast.
That's great. So are we. What'd you do, kid?
Something terrible, but I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, anything we can do?
Unless you can change the past.
You know, in times like these, my buddy Timon here says you gotta put your behind in the past. No. It means you gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid, bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right? Right. Wrong! No more turn this back on you. You turn your back on the world. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata. What? Hakuna Matata. It means no worries. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. It ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata?
Yeah, it's our motto.
What's a motto?
Nothing. What's the matter with you? Hakuna Matata. These two words will solve all your problems. That's right. Take a look here. Why, when he was a young warthog. When I was a young warthog. Very nice. Thanks. Found his aroma, certain appeal. He can clear this America after every meal. I'm a sensitive soul. Though I seem thick-skinned, and it hurts that my friends never stood downwind. And oh, the shame! He was ashamed of the change in my name. Oh, what's in a name? And I got down hearted. How did you feel every time that I not in front of the parents? Oh, sorry. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. It ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days. Yeah, sing it. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Welcome to our Uncle. Gee, I'm starved.
I'm so hungry I made a whole zebra.
We're fresh out of zebra.
Any antelope?
Nope.
Antelope?
Nuh-uh. Listen, kid, if you're gonna live with us, you gotta eat like us. Hey, this looks like a good spot to rustle up some grub.
Ew. What's that?
It's a grub. What's it look like?
Ew. Gross.
Tastes like chicken. Slimy, yet satisfying. I tell you, kid, this is a great life. No rules, no responsibilities, and best of all, no worries. Well, kid, enjoy.
Well, here goes. Hakuna Matata?
Slimy, yet satisfying. That's it.